Hold up, is that a stop sign? No, it's too angry to be a stop sign. It's a Karen's mad face at the ticket she just received for parking without a permit. And why is she parked illegally, I hear you ask? Well, because her favorite channel, Unluggy, have just dropped a hot new video full of Karen content. And by now, you must have guessed the theme. Come on, it's Karens vs. Cars. Usually, it's kids that have tantrums. But if that's the case, this Karen needs to go back to kindergarten instead of kicking some stranger's car.
The arrow says go this way. Hurry up, you're in their way. Oh, goodness. I know, that's what my wife tells me. I didn't believe it till just now.
Oh, do I need to call the police? All you have to do is back a little bit.
Okay, watch. Let me see. That enough?
But they can't get out anyway.
They can't get out.
Lady, you gotta move to the side so people can get around you.
She's insane. She kicked your car.
I know, I'm not moving because she kicked my car.
Wow. She kicked it or you punched it?
She kicked. She like punted his car. Yo, what is she trying to do? What is she doing now? Where's she going? What's good?
I'm not moving because you kicked my vehicle.
Lady, move over.
I think this Karen needs to get her eyes tested because as far as I can see, she's over the line. I think this one is blinded with delusion.
Alright, yeah, and I'm gonna take pictures of this, and I have... I'm sorry, you're not over the line? You're not over the line. You're not over the line. Right? You're not over the line. This isn't over the line. Yeah, see that? It's over the line.
No, it's there.
It is over the line.
It's right on the line.
Ma'am, the front of the car is supposed to stop at the line. So instances like this doesn't happen.
You become a law officer.
Excuse me?
Male Karen here is so entitled that he can't believe that someone would even dare to confront him for cutting a queue. What a level of audacity!
Come over here. I got something for you.
That's what I thought. Are you going to shoot me?
Why are you coming in front of everybody? You fucking punk.
It's a fucking stop sign! Follow the fucking law!
Where are you going, in line? Where's the line at here, pal?
The fucking line is right here!
The line is here, asshole.
Kiss my fucking ass!
Your mother.
Hey!
Your
Come
mama.
on!
You punk like your mother, you. Hey, you hear that, fat boy? You hear that? Fat pig.
Let's go! I'll stay right fucking here for fucking all day! I got all fucking day, I'll sit right fucking here!
I see all you do, see all day, pig.
Let's go!
Sometimes people go to a therapy session to have a rant and get everything off their chest, but not in the supermarket car park like this male Karen.
Says freedom. Nobody tells you to put a mask on in this country. Nobody tells you nothing to do in this country. That flag is what we live for. How did my country get people in it that hate that flag? How did this country turn into a country with people in it who say,
how are you?
that
Good, how
flag
are
should
you?
be half
Okay.
mast?
Oh, yeah.
It's a violation of federal law.
I'm just making sure that he's not
Entitlement.
harassing any of the regular customers, you know? For sure.
No one's harassing no one. I'm talking about a flag that represents my brothers. I was at Military Assistance Command, Vietnam. Where were you?
I wasn't alive yet.
From one racist Karen to another, we've got a male Karen who just can't help but mind his own business. What could be wrong with sitting in your car? Well, this guy is about to tell you. I just wish I could see the aftermath.
Said you're going to paint at the Tanley's house. I said there's no Tanleys that live up the road.
I didn't say Tanley, I said Chandler.
Tanner?
Hey man, look, I'm working up the road, bro. I can't go to work.
Okay, so this is a private drive.
Right, it's a dead end. It's one way in, one way out.
Yeah.
So why the would I be going this way if I ain't had no business?
It's a good question.
Are you bored or something?
No, but I live here.
What's your name?
What's your name? That's cool. So I'm gonna text my neighbors up there. And
Yeah, matter of fact, just follow me. Follow me to the house. That's what you do. Come on. Hey, come follow me. Follow me to the house real quick.
I've had people work at my house, and they can always tell me who's the name of the person.
I'm not working at your house, though, so come follow me real quick.
Okay, cool.
Follow
so
me.
Now we're live streaming me or something?
You gonna be on the internet in a second.
Awesome. Hi.
Imagine putting your newborn's kid's life in danger just to save a parking spot. Sounds crazy, right? Someone call CPS, because this Karen certainly doesn't think so.
Please move, I need to park here. Please.
You're gonna hit my child?
No, I want to park.
What?
I want to park. You holding the parking spot.
Sir, my husband dropped us off. He's looping around and he's gonna park here.
I understand, but I'm gonna park here in the meantime. There's no one here. Clock. My rates are $60 an hour, so you know, you older me. I charge you every 6 minutes. Can you please move? Thank you, I appreciate
It's
that.
all yours, no problem.
You're welcome.
That's your plate number.
This Karen's a racist meltdown in the parking lot will make certain that she's blocked from the property forever. Enjoy going viral.
Yo, it's... I got this on video, bro. You good, bro?
Don't ever touch me again.
I got this on video, bro. You good?
Don't ever touch me again.
Man, please get in the car, ma'am. Please
Don't
get in the
ever
car.
touch me again.
Sir.
Bro, get your girl, bro.
Touch me like that again.
Bro.
Don't you ever
Otherwise, not
touch
to
me
pull the
like that.
authorities. Otherwise, not to pull the authorities. What are you doing?
He tried to.
Well, he ain't tried nothing.
He tried to.
Ma'am, you should get in the car. Ma'am, the best thing to do will be to get in the car. Ma'am, the best thing to do
You
is get in
should
the car.
not try to f me.
Ma'am, the best thing to do will be to get in the car.
Don't ever try to f me again.
Listen, ma'am.
My way.
Listen, ma'am, the
Don't
authorities.
man me.
Listen, the authorities are right there. You're welcome to speak to the authorities.
Don't ever try to.
You're welcome to speak to the authorities.
Yo.
Ma'am,
Ever.
ma'am, the authorities are there. Sir.
Yo.
Ever try to.
Ma'am.
Ever try to. Don't you ever try to me again.
He didn't try to do nothing to you. He didn't try to do nothing to
Don't
you.
you ever me.
What are you doing?
Oh, get me.
Because, bro, she can easily go back and say something. It's a black man, bro. It's a black man. Be honest, it's a black man.
Oh, yeah.
Take a look at what happens when Karen is caught in the act, backing into someone else's car. What a shame. Playing the victim won't help this time.
You would not treat a man this way. You would not treat a man this way.
I haven't treated you anyway.
Intimidating me! You shut up! You are making a big thing out of absolutely nothing. There is not a single scratch on this car. You are just intimidating me for no reason.
She backed up into your vehicle. I just
I
asked
did
her
not
to...
back up into your vehicle. There was the tiniest little tap. It was like half a centimeter.
She's freaking out. I just...
Whatsoever. He started screaming at me.
I didn't scream at you.
Screaming at me. I didn't do anything. I was like, listen, there's nothing.
backed up into the car. I just asked her to stop for a minute and so I could take a look at it, and she freaked the hell out.
If you did that to someone, I guarantee you would have driven away unless some crazy man called you out on it. I'm really sorry to get you in the middle of this. He is a very, very mean person.
He's just looking out, miss.
I'm just looking out for my employee's car, that's all.
Yeah, so well, you can look out for your employees by looking at the car and seeing if anything was an issue.
It's not my vehicle.
I'm glad you're really good at picking on random strangers.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
You need my insurance information. I'm happy to give it to you.
She's on some
I know, but he started picking on me and he was like, relaxed. I was like, nobody's gonna be relaxed when you start saying, you hit my insurance card. Nobody's gonna be relaxed when they're attacked like that.
I used to be like you, but the kids are seeing all this right now. Get in your parking lot and just drive safely. Like
that's what I was doing. I was doing it. He attacked me for no reason. Thank you. I hope you have a good night too.
I was just trying to make sure your whip didn't get messed up, that's all. That's going on. That's crazy.
Road rage can turn even the nicest person into an evil villain. But you won't believe what this Karen says when she's confronted for driving into another car.
You cannot scream in my face like that. I'm an idiot. You just hit my car.
Nice person.
You
I
just
didn't
hit
do it
my
on
car.
purpose.
I understand you didn't do it on purpose, but you hit my car.
Well, why do you have to be so nasty about it?
You need to cover it with
Because
insurance.
you're young, that's why. My kids
because
are like
I'm
you
young.
too.
I'm not even
My
young.
kids are like you
What
too.
are you even talking about, ma'am?
Listen,
You hit my car. You hit my car.
I didn't do it on purpose.
It doesn't matter. That's
somebody hit mine right
when
there
someone-
in a black car.
when someone hit,
and you don't think it was you. Let me show you
You
something.
just hit my
Do you,
car.
I didn't do it on purpose.
It doesn't matter. You
Do
did
you
it,
want
though.
to see what I
You
can
did
show
it. Do you want to give me your
Can I
insurance
show
information
you?
or not?
No. Can I
Okay,
show you
well,
something?
then you need to leave.
Imagine having the audacity to demand who can and can't park on property that you don't own. Yup, you guessed it, this Karen does. But her words aren't the only thing she chokes on. Keep an eye on that gum.
My parking spot.
Yeah,
I own this property. Get what marketplace?
On Facebook Marketplace, we're picking something up from the lady who
I
lives in
don't
that
care.
house.
This is not a fucking parking spot.
Do you know you're supposed to? It's COVID.
Get fucking
Why
well.
are you?
Yeah. Why are
we're
you
filming
off
you.
my
We're
parking
filming you.
right
You
now?
are filming
You've
you
been
right
here
now.
half an hour. I don't care.
I
I'm
haven't
getting
been
the
here half
police.
an hour. I've been here.
I'm
Call
getting
the
the police.
Call them right now.
I am. Get
Call
off
them.
my- Does you
Call them.
see
I'm
what he
here
says?
to pick up something.
I don't care.
I have permission from the person who lives here.
Yeah, you're
I have
not
permission.
here. Not
Yes,
here.
I do.
Over
Yes,
there.
I do.
Over there.
Okay, I'll
not
park
here.
right there.
Yeah,
I'll
go
park there.
Well, yeah,
Where
go
do you
now.
live? Which house
Go
do you live
now.
in?
This I own all this
This
property.
This is all your
No,
property?
but yes.
Okay,
Oh,
so I have you on
go
camera
now.
then.
Who are you picking it up from?
I'm picking up from the lady who lives
What's
in
her
that house.
name?
My son is in
What?
the back car.
Who's this?
Jacqueline. Her name's Jacqueline. She lives there.
Who's? I don't give a where she
My
lives.
son is in the fucking car. He's a baby. Get the out of my face. Get out of my face right
No,
now.
get off
There's
of
a
my-
baby in
get
here.
off of my property.
There's a baby in here.
Yes,
and you're
so get off
supposed
my
to be,
property.
You're supposed to
Get
be
off my
You're
property.
supposed to be social distancing.
So
You're
are
in my
you.
face. Get
So
out
are
of my
you.
face.
Get
There's
off.
kids in the car.
Get off.
There's a baby here.
Get
You
off. I
psycho.
don't- Then you should be
Psycho.
Can you
I'm
not
picking
see?
something
No,
up.
I don't.
I'm picking something
Go
up.
over there.
These two Karens don't seem to have grasped the idea that in order to have a parking lot space, you have to have a car to park in there first, and are willing to make it this fellow driver's problem.
This ain't got nothing to do with you. I don't give a about none of that. That's what you need to understand. This got me f***ed up and you got me f***ed up. Hey, ma'am, hurry up. Make sure. Tell him to sue that too. Thank you.
I'll move. It's not that serious. I'm not that serious, but
Hurry up,
you
you
can't do
got
that.
it.
Yeah, but I'm saying, but we could have approached this at a different I know. I'm sorry. Look, I apologize. Look, you guys can have it, but you can't. Police cop calling motherfucker. You guys can have it, but you can't do. You can't argue over it. All right.
Nah, it's over a parking space.
Hey, no.
You're calling over a parking space. How do you sound?
Lady.
I swear to God, I'm
I got that. Okay? So I apologize.
No, she's not getting my face.
I apologize.
No,
But you
she's
know
not.
what? I thought she was gonna walk. That's why. I know.
There's no need.
I'm
No.
sorry. Look. Hey, man.
Nah, I'm just
sorry.
letting you
I'll let
guys
you have
know.
it. But can't do that though. You can't walk into spot, David.
Okay.
I was right there.
Alright, hold on.
We gotta get the f*** on. I'm sick of this shit. Mind your business. Mind your business. Back up. You walking up on us though. You walking up on us though. But you walking up on us though. You ain't got nothing else better you can be doing? I don't have time for nigga. People don't know what type of shit I'm saying. We let you have it. I will flip the f*** out and whoop your ass out. Back the f*** up. He over here messing with me. This ain't got nothing to do with this man. Nothing at all.
We got it. We got it. We got it figured out.
You fuck alone, bro, about your day.
Oh, you have a good one.
No, don't feed it to him. He getting in the pussy.
Oh, I'm gonna feed all of you. You got the right one today.
This clip proves that racist male Karens can be anywhere in the world. They are an international species. But after this freak out, I have a feeling he's gonna have to wait for the next boss.
Go back to your country! This is our country, you nigga! You! You motherfucker! Right? This ain't your fucking country! You nigga! Immigrant cunt! You! Right? You come illegally! Ain't your fucking country, you nigga cunt! You nigga cunt! Go back to your fucking came from, yeah? Go back to your fucking came from! You country! You! You guys! You, yeah? You! Cut!
He's got on the camera, don't worry. He's on the camera, don't worry. Don't worry. He's on camera.
I need as soon as police. I am very aggressive person. I need police as soon.
This sumo Karen is so racist to two business employees, the level of entitlement is off the charts. Take a look.
Speaking in Chinese. Oh, shut up. Speaking in Chinese is what I mean. Shut up. You're rude. Speak English in Canada. Rude. Who do I complain about? Shut up. You're rude. You are rude. Go somewhere else. Who do I complain about to her? Give me the number.
No, you can call our store number.
What's your store number?
On the top of the list.
Who? You want a manager to talk to me? You bring your manager here.
You get up.
If you want to talk to me, you bring your manager here, you idiot, or go speak Chinese with your other staff. Talk to me somewhere else. Get him somewhere else. What the hell is going on? Does he start fights with all your people? Then get him in the back. That is rude. Shut up and get out of here, you idiot. That's f***ing rude.